Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's English listening practice. In this episode, you will learn easy words, simple phrases, and short daily examples. Let's begin. 1. Daily life. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I sit on my bed and stretch my arms. Then I stand up and go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day. After that, I make a cup of coffee. I like hot coffee in the morning. It helps me feel awake and ready. 2. Simple phrases for daily use. Here are some useful sentences you can repeat. I wake up early. I make breakfast. I drink coffee or tea. I go to work or school. I come home and rest. These simple phrases are very common in everyday English. 3. At the store. Now imagine you are in a small store. You need to buy a few things. You say, "Hello, do you have bread?" The shop worker says, "Yes, it's over there." You pick up the bread and go to the cashier. You say, "How much is it?" The cashier tells you the price. You pay and say, "Thank you, have a nice day." This is a very basic but very useful conversation. 4. Learning English. Every day, learning a language takes time. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to practice a little bit every day. You can listen to short videos. You can read easy texts. You can speak with friends. Even 5 minutes a day is helpful. The most important thing is consistency. Small steps make a big difference. 5. Feelings and emotions. Let's practice some simple feelings. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel hungry. I feel excited. I feel relaxed. You can use these phrases when you talk about your day. 6. Short story, a simple morning. Let's listen to a short, easy story. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open my window and take a deep breath. The weather is nice today. I make breakfast, eggs, bread, and a cup of tea. After breakfast, I check my bag. I take my phone, my wallet, and my keys. Then I leave the house and start my day. This kind of story helps you learn basic vocabulary for everyday life. 7. Practice questions. Here are a few questions for you. What time do you wake up? Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? How do you feel today? What do you buy at the store? What do you do after school or work? Try to answer them out loud. It will help you improve your speaking and listening skills. 1. Talking about daily routines. Daily routines are very important in basic English. Here are simple examples. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work or school. I take a break. I come home. I eat dinner. I go to sleep. Now let's turn these into a small paragraph. Every day I wake up early. I wash my face and get ready. I eat a simple breakfast with tea or coffee. Then I go to work. I take a break at noon and relax for a little bit. After work, I go home, make dinner, and rest. Before bed, I watch something, read a little, and then sleep. Very simple, but very useful. 2. Places in the city. Let's learn the names of basic places. The bank, the supermarket, the cafe, the bus station, the school, the park, the pharmacy, the hospital, the library. Example sentences. I go to the supermarket to buy food. I study at the library. I wait at the bus station. I drink coffee at the cafe. These sentences help you talk about daily activities. 3. Easy story. My trip to the supermarket today. I go to the supermarket. I need bread, milk, and fruit. I take my bag and walk to the store. Inside the store, I pick up bread first, then I get a bottle of milk. After that, I choose apples and bananas. I go to the cashier. The cashier says, "Hello, do you need a bag?" I say, "No, thank you. I have my own bag." The cashier tells me the price. I pay, smile, and say, "Have a nice day." Then I walk home. It is a simple trip, but very relaxing. 4. Useful beginner grammar. There is, there are. This structure is very common. There is equals one thing. There are equals many things. Examples. There is a book on the table. There is a cat in the garden. There are 2 people at the door. There are many cars on the street. Short paragraph. In my kitchen, there is a small table. There are 2 chairs. There is a big window. There are many cups and plates. 5. Talking about likes and dislikes. Here are very simple structures. I like, I don't like. Examples: I like music, I like walking, I don't like loud places, I don't like cold weather. Mini story: I like weekends, I like drinking tea and relaxing, I don't like waking up early on weekends, I don't like busy places, so I prefer staying home. 6. Simple dialogue. Practice. A. What do you like to do on weekends? B. I like to rest and watch movies. A. Nice. Do you go out? B. Sometimes, but not often. A. I understand. Very basic. Very natural. 7. Talking about your home. Let's practice describing a home. My home is small but comfortable. There is one bedroom. There is a living room with a sofa and a table. The kitchen is small, but I like it. There is a big window, and the light is nice in the morning. My home feels peaceful. Useful words: bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom window, door chair, table.